Alright guys, welcome to the Shelby American Heritage Museum, and this museum is a huge piece of American history, so stay tuned.
Ta-da! Thank you very much, sir. First impressions?
Really cool. I want that. It's a cute car. You think I could afford it?
So here at the Shelby American Museum is one of many facilities where you can turn your Mustang into a Shelby Cobra. They work on dozens of cars at a time, and you can definitely see the mechanics working hard, transforming each Mustang into a Shelby. But the best part of this trip for me is that I got to take my father-in-law during Father's Day weekend to check out a car he had when he was younger. And believe me, there are lots of flashy cars in here, and lots of, dare I say, relics, but vehicles of history that have changed the racing world forever.
Oh wow. Same dash and everything.
I remember the stories my dad told me when he had his very own Mustang when he was younger, and it was the car to have back then. The Shelby Museum is such a cool place. A lot of history here. And if you like cars, you know, if you like cars, especially if you like Mustangs, this is the place for you. They have a VIP tour. It's like $60 per person. I personally would not recommend it. Because all you do is you go into the showroom floor, but you don't get to walk the showroom floor, obviously. But there's a showroom floor. You walk in there, you can sign your name on the wall, and then you stand from basically just where the windows are from the inside, but just on the other side. And you stand there, and they tell you all about the museum, and they tell you all about the Shelby cars, how they're made, and you know how the factory works. So, in my opinion, not worth the $60, but because you can, view the showroom floor from the inside for free. It's just if you want more information about Shelby and what they do here, making your car into a Shelby. But yeah, this car right here reminds me of the video game Sega GT. I was saying with that one. Sega GT. It was on the Xbox.
Oh.
The OG Xbox.
I just really like this one. It gives for the girls, you know? Does that make sense?
And this one's dirty. Dirty.
One of the cars over there has a really, really bare tire, and I was like, don't they say not to have that? But then my mom said that's for drag racing. I was like, well, I got yelled at when my tire looked like that, so.
In this part of the museum, you can see that it's just a wall of different Roadsters. And there's a wall telling you about the history of Carroll Shelby. Dang, these, I don't know if you can see, the lens kind of distorts it a little bit. These cars are tiny. Small little suckers. But beast. Beast! That one looks futuristic. Look at that. Look at that back. Looks goofy. Dang, powerful. This one's beast. It's got a nice red color. So what do you think about the Shelby Museum?
You know, I thought it was going to be boring because I'm not a car person, but honestly, I'm having a lot of fun because I like to look at the cars and go, oh, that one's cute. Like, they're like, oh, that's so cool. But I'm like, that one's cute. I like the color. I would drive that. This is pretty cool, and it was free.
Yeah.
Free entertainment.
And then the gift shop here is pretty cool, too.
They got some cool gifts. Like, pretty cool stuff.
Oh, it's all about the hair.
It's all about the good side.
It's all about the Pentiums, baby. Oh, no, you gotta cross the other way.
Y'all are so cute.
Whatever.
I got some good ones. Aww, aww.
The gift shop was pretty cool. A lot of amazing apparel that you can buy. So I recommend getting a souvenir. It's nice to have. But yeah, guys, check out the Shelby Heritage Museum if you're in Las Vegas. I definitely recommend it.